Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Realme C12, and this is a new budget phone from Realme which is costing around almost 22,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So guys, in this video we're gonna unbox this Realme C12 and let's see what is Realme has to offer in this price range. And guys, on the back we get some more features and specification about the phone. We got a 6000 mAh battery size, which is really huge battery size on this phone, and also we get a 13 megapixel AI triple cameras on the back, and also we got a 6.5 inch mini drop full screen display, and also we got a fingerprint scanner on the back. And you can see the color I have is the red color, and this phone give you, and guys, also this phone give you a 32GB of internal storage with a 3GB of RAM. And so without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox this Realme C12. And guys, on the bottom we have a PTA approved sticker as well. So now let's quickly unbox this phone and let's see what is Realme has to offer in this price range. And guys, on the top we got this mini box as which contains some quick start guide. We don't get any silicone case with the Realme C12. That's expected in this price range because mostly we don't get any silicone case in this price range. And guys, here is the SIM ejection tool of the Realme C12. And now let's put that side here and look at the Realme C12. And guys, here is the Realme C12 in the red color, and you can see. Now let's put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, we got this adapter, and also we get a micro USB cable on this phone, I have to say. And you can see we got a micro USB cable with the Realme C12, and also we get a adapter. Let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and the ampere rating on this adapter, it is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere. It is a 10 watt normal adapter. And guys, also this phone does not support any fast charging. So now let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the Realme C12. And guys, the Realme C12, which is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset. And guys, here is the Realme C12. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, you can see that here is the Realme C12, and you can see, and on the back we got a matte finish, which I really like on this phone because you will not be able to see your fingerprints on the back. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. And guys, also the screen protector, it is already installed on this phone. So now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we get a speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, as well as a noise cancellation microphone, I believe. And also we get a headphone jack. And guys, on the left we get a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. And guys, on the top we got anything, and on the right we have a volume up and volume down rocker with a switch on a button. And guys, on the back we got a triple cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back, it is a 13 megapixel. Then we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel for monochrome lens on the back. And also we get a fingerprint scanner on this phone. And guys, here is the display of the Realme C12. This phone give you a 6.5 inch 720p IPS LCD display. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, also we get a 5 megapixel front camera on this phone. And guys, here is the first boot of the Realme C12. And guys, you can see that here is the wallpaper on this phone. Let me increase the brightness. And also the display, it is pretty bright, I have to say. Now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone, I have to say. Let's see the software version, and you can see this phone is running on Android 10, and you can see. And guys, also we have a Realme UI version 1.0 on this phone, and this phone gave you a 32GB of internal storage out of 19.6 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go back, and it is a Realme UI which is very similar to the Google stock Android. And you can see we have this app drawer. Now let's look at the camera. And guys, now let's look at the camera, and you can see here is the camera UI of the Realme C12. And you can see here is your 1x and here is your 2x. We don't get any ultra wide on this phone. And guys, here is the portrait mode, and let's see how is the picture quality on this phone. And guys, in the mode section we also got ultra macro mode on this phone. And guys, also we get a night mode which is also available with the 1x as well as with the 2x. Now let's go to the video section and let's see the video recording size. And guys, the back camera only shoot full HD with the 30 fps video recording size. Now let's look at the front camera. And guys, this phone give you a 5 megapixel front camera, and also we get a portrait mode with the front camera as well, which work right now on this phone. And the front camera, it is support full HD with the 30 fps video recording size as well. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the Realme C12, the battery life of the Realme C12, it will be very good on this phone because the MediaTek Helio G35 with a 6.5 inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also we get a massive 6000 mAh battery size. This won't give you at least 1.5 day of battery life with heavy use as well. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Realme C12. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.